Okay guys, welcome to a Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.12.1 Alpha Build 9, and I'm gonna show you parkour from Xbox. Okay, let's get started. This inside the box one. This I'm gonna make it survival, and let's get started. Okay, stay. Okay. Welcome to Inside the Box 1 by Stumpy Fan 9 and Squid Fan 7. This way. Okay. Going to get this bed and this bed. Okay. You play your Xbox One and hear a beep. Oh, what a beep. There's no... It's empty. Okay, let's see this. You know guys, it's all empty. So funny. Ha. And kiss, boom! This way, in here. You are inside your Xbox kiss beep. Oh, I'm stage 2. Parkour rate. This is easy. Okay, I can do this. Ah! Oh yeah. Oh, 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 uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Where's the sign? Parkour rate. It's medium. Okay. Let's try this. You can do this, Striper. Come on. You can do this, Striper. Come on, Striper. Huh? Oh yeah. Good job, Striper. Come on, come on. Ah, thank God. Now this hard. This hard. Come on, you can do this. Thank God. Yes. Oh yes. To be continued in Inside the Box. Xbox 2. Checkpoint. Okay guys. See you next time. I'm going to show you the Xbox 2. Because this is the Xbox One. I'm going to continue it.